Are you excited?
Yeah.
We get to see our room after a whole year of planning, and we have one piece of luggage, and Polly's is here, but mine is not here. So, oh, there she is. Okay, wave on our 40th wedding anniversary cruise. Okay, here we go, and we're going to go right back to where the most important part that everybody wants to know about, the balcony. Okay, here we go. Dun, dun, dun. We are now open. Ow! Come on in, Polly. So, here we go. We're going to go out now to the balcony, because I know that's what everybody really wants to know, is what does the balcony look like? So, I'm going to open this baby up. Open that up. And we're in Vancouver right now. So, looks like they got everything ready. Let's see. Oh, I think we better clean my chairs a little bit. The birds have been on here, and they've also eaten some ice cream. Okay, so you want to know how big it is? 1 step, 2 step, 3 step, 4. So that'd be 12 foot by 1 step, 2 step. 12 foot by 7 foot. Good. So that's all the noise. Okay, so now we're going to go inside. Okay, so one TV. There is one sofa. And now everybody wants to know, let's see. Nothing there. There's a light switch. And now everybody wants to know, what are the outlets? There's 2 right there. It's a little bit dirty. And we asked for some strawberries. So we got our chocolate covered strawberries. Yummy, yummy. Okay. There's our shore excursions. Right there. And let's see. There is no outlet there. We got our beds together because we're married. Alright. And they gave us a bottle of wine, which we don't drink. Which is fine. I'll give it to my sister. So there's Polly again. Okay. Here we have the closet, which we will fill up. Okay. And then we have another closet that has the safe in it. Okay. And we asked for the robes, so we got some robes. 2 of them. And now let's go into the bathroom. Let's look. Step up there. There's the bathroom there. Nice little bathtub. So if the pools get too filled with kids. And then the toilet, the sink, and big mirror. So now you see room number D402 Emerald Princess. Let me back up, give you one more view of it. And one more time. Like I said, I know everybody, that's what you want to see. There you are. Probably going to have to get them in here to clean our chairs. Because I think that bird probably really enjoyed this chair. And that ice cream cone as well. Hello, Polly. Now it's time to go to Alaska.